Welcome to Ocean Decade Laboratories of Water Takeshiba, Tokyo, Japan. This is Keita Furukawa, President of Association for Shore Environment Creation. Tokyo Bay is located in East Asian Sea, center of Japan. This part, I would like to introduce environmental restoration works in Tokyo Bay and a new attempt at the Takeshiba tidal flood construction. Tokyo Bay is 50 km length, 20 km width, with average depth of 15 meters. Reclamation for industries and residences covers 98% of coastal line in the bay. Tokyo Bay is a center for coastal developments. Tokyo Bay is a center for maritime transport. And Tokyo Bay is harnessing nature and human use. In Japan, there are 6 major enclosed bays out of 80. Development causes serious environmental degradation in 1960s, especially onto water quality deterioration due to eutrophication. The total pollutant load control system has been implemented since 1979 by national government as watershed scale measures. The system implemented based on ACT and quantitative target setting, technical guidance, and implementation subsidies has been given. The TPLCS has acted efficiently more than 40 years. Now, Tokyo Bay has been reducing organic loads and resulted surface concentration of chemical oxygen demand changed drastically. The other concern is fish catch in the bay. In 1960s, the maximum catch of 180,000 tons were there. It decreased drastically in 1970s, and maximum diversity was seen in 1980s. The causes of decline are analyzed by Tokyo Bay Study Group for Fisheries Industry Institutions. It can be habitat loss and anoxic water in bottom layers. Development side has also been taking care of environment. MLIT and local government has been operating cleanup of marine waste since 1970s. The other causes of eutrophication from degraded bottom sediment were rehabilitated by sand capping. From 1990s, even creation of tidal flats and shallows for seagrass bed has been attempted. Nevertheless, red tide occurs, massive anoxic water covers bottom water in summer, harmful sulfur hydrates is upwelled, and massive mortality occurs. It has been taking more 10 years to taking adaptive management to be applied in the watershed scale restoration of the bay. In 2003, after a cabinet decision made to start restoration for the sea as restoration of the cities, Bay Renaissance Project has been started in Tokyo Bay to achieving holistic goal and specific action on land, sea, and monitoring. This is government-oriented 10 years action plan. Since 2010s, our eyes are open to global threats as climate change, population matter, and global economy. MLIT and other governments started to facilitate global targets. After 10 years, Tokyo Bay Renaissance Project comes into second phase. To facilitate and expanded target achieve interaction and cooperation between private sectors has been implemented. Tokyo Bay Public-Private Partnership Forum was formed as multi-stakeholders partnership platform. Monitoring project team joined to Tokyo Bay monitoring campaign with the conference. and help to compile the result as dissemination map through workshops. Tokyo Bay Festival Project Team organizes a festival to promote, raise awareness, and draw participating actions. Anonymous citizens have a chance to join the activities for restoring the bay. This year's festival has been done by virtual manner, but last year we have more than 100,000 people's participation. The more environmental restoration action in Tokyo Bay can be seen as an integration of nature and human beings. In Yokohama area, there are remaining natural beach and constructed beach. Public action for eelgrass planting has been implemented by a network of NPO and local schools. It works. Even squid hatch their eggs on the restored eelgrass beds. In Yokohama, another type of blue carbon exercises has been taken. Brown seaweed is a target species. Put juvenile seaweed on the rope and hanging on a raft. Yokohama City Office put certificate of carbon offset made by them. In Chiba district, fishing courses for families were organized by local NPOs. The data set of goby sites was supplied to monitoring campaign of the Tokyo Bay. In Odaiba, past cannon base for security for the bay has been used as a part of Seaside Park by Tokyo Metropolitan City. Odaiba Environmental Education Promotion Council supports nori seaweed mariculture study in the school with PTA, local government, fishermen, and citizens. Now, a new type of coastal ecosystem restoration has been implemented in Takeshiba area. The Takeshiba area is a complex of MICE facilities and cultural entertainments between Tokyo Haneda Airport and Tokyo Station. Takeshiba Area Management Corporation designed a new art and cultural complex of Waters Takeshiba. The design vision is set the town generating next affluence, and the integration of art and culture has been attempted. Constructed tidal flat is one of central facility for the town. The place was landfilled and capped with sand for tidal flat ecosystem restoration. 24-meter width and 60-meter depth. This is rough sketch of management structure of the Takeshiba tidal flat. Now the area is managed by multi-stakeholders. The property is managed as a public area. Construction has been done by a private company. Activities and ecosystem restoration is managed by the corporation, and experts are joined as advisory group for the better management. Now we are notated zone in detail with 1 year careful observation of the environment and planning to next steps. The more detailed explanation of habitats and vegetated area will be given by following presenters. Thank you for your attention.